Hey, hi, welcome back. ChatGPT has recently launched its own AI browser called ChatGPT Atlas. It is trending everywhere in the internet. Currently, it is open only for Mac OS. So I have downloaded Atlas browser, and this is the Atlas browser UI. And I will show you what actually is Atlas browser and how to use Atlas browser for more productive browsing experience and how it is different from Chrome browser. So, like, if you want some information or some context about Atlas, like it's a ChatGPT owned browser. So we all are depending on ChatGPT for many different things. Like personally, like I don't use Google search frequently as how I used it earlier. So I'm depending on ChatGPT for browsing as well. Then what's the purpose of having two different browsers if ChatGPT itself is providing its own browser? So there are many tools out there which will definitely impress you. One thing is like you can do a normal browsing as how you use it to do it on Chrome. So if you open, like, this is my first tab. Like I have downloaded Atlas today, and it imports all your browsing history, tabs, and everything. So I just asked open all the tabs in my previous window, like what the tabs that I have opened in my Chrome browser earlier. I have asked Atlas to open them, and initially it didn't get my prompt. Later it asked me, do you want to help to restore the browsing history? I said yes. Then all these tabs which I have opened in my Chrome browser have been opened. So this is good, right? Now what other things that we can do? So browsing is good, like all bookmarks are there, like everything that we do on Chrome, like we can get it. But one good thing is for every tab, like you will see an option called Ask ChatGPT here. So you can just open it and type anything. Let's suppose if I ask um, list all the priority emails or calendar based emails that I have received this week. So I'm asking list all the priority emails or calendar based emails that I have received this week. So I have opened my Gmail, listing all the emails that I have got this week, which are priority or which ChatGPT felt are priority. So some bank emails, some financial statements, some work and platform related items. So this is how you can use this Ask ChatGPT on all the tabs so that you can simplify your browsing, and also many different things that you can do. Let's suppose if I ask for PDF to PNG converter. So I'm browsing something here. If I want to convert my PDF to PNG, in general, I will just search this in Google Chrome, and it will list all the websites that will provide this service. But here you don't have to do that. It is asking just upload the PDF and I will convert it to PNG. So this is the beauty of AI based browsing here. And you can also do many different things out there. Let's suppose if I search for um, flights from Hyderabad to Singapore. So in general, if I search this on Google, again, it will give me many different website lists. Here, it is simply giving me the context, like it is giving me the context, like what the things that I need, what I should know, instead of giving me all the website list here. It is giving me there are non-stop option, non-stop flight back to Singapore. What are the price out there? Non-stop flights. What are the what are the best dates to visit on December 2025, keeping in mind the 3 day round trip duration. So if I'm asking what are the best dates to visit on December, keeping in mind like I'm going to stay 3 days. So I'm asking the round trip as well. So round trip comparison as well. So it is suggesting a few dates like depart Friday 5 December and return Sunday 7 December. It's suggesting the climate changes, price changes, and all. So give me need to know if I want to plan my travel. So this is how you can utilize, how you can change your browsing experience in a more different way. So I like this part. Like you don't have to visit all the websites. ChatGPT Atlas will think of Atlas will think and give you the best instantly. And let's try some other thing, like if I want to, or maybe, so if I'm for AI news today, in general, if I search this on Google, like if I want to know AI news today, it will give many different website links, only the articles, article previews and all. But it is directly giving what are the top AI news that I should know today. General Motors showcases next gen AI in vehicles. India proposes new rules to curb AI deepfakes. And it's giving me one by one with explanations, images, and everything that I should know. So this is something that I have loved about it. So this is where like we can change our experience in browsing internet. So this is so cool. So this is currently open for Mac OS, but yeah, it is going to roll out on Windows mobile phones as well. I'm excited about it. Like how you feel about so ChatGPT's own browser Atlas.